What's this food sound? Can you guess? It's popcorn! Did you hear it? What's this food sound? Can you guess? It's a soda can opening. Nice one if you got it correct. The next one is really tricky. Don't miss it. Can you guess what it is? It's an apple. Did you get it? What's this sound? It's cereal. That one was hard. Last one. What's this sound? It's noodles! Haha, that was funny! Great job! How many did you get right? Can you get all 5? Watch again and beat your score. Can you guess the compound word? Try another video and see if you can get them all correct.